Since digital information spaces are completely abstract, users can't rely on universal physical directions like north and south or up and down to find their way around. So if you want people to avoid getting lost, you need to give them strong navigation cues. And you can use cues that are similar to signals people are familiar with in the real world. Kevin Lynch coined the term wayfinding back in 1960 in his seminal book, The Image of the City. He was trying to describe how people organize and use cues from the physical environment to create a mental model of a space and help them navigate around it. The specific cues that people rely on in cities include districts, landmarks, nodes, paths, and edges. Now, not all of these translate perfectly into digital space, but they are a great starting point for thinking about what you might provide that could be helpful to your users. For example, in a city, there may be different districts that people come to know and recognize that tend to have a distinctive appearance due to their architecture or landscaping. Downtown, an urban area with skyscrapers all around it, will be instantly recognizable as very different than what you would see if you found yourself in a municipal park. Each of these areas serves a different function, and their appearance helps people orient themselves. In digital space, if you have different parts of a product with different functions, for example, the public marketing pages of a website versus the logged-in application area for your existing customers, you can help your users quickly figure out where they are by using distinctive elements consistently in each area, like slightly different treatments for the headers. Landmarks are another great navigation cue. In a city, you might glance up and see a tall building that has a recognizable outline and immediately know where you are in relation to that building. Now, in digital space, distance isn't quite the same, but users still benefit enormously from landmarks like having a logo and a home link that is consistently at the top of the screen. Nodes are junctions where people can change direction to reach different destinations. And nodes loom large in people's mental models of cities because they're critical to help you remember how you can get to different locations. In digital space, nodes are your menus that give people access to different parts of a website, different areas of an application with different functionality. These nodes should be visible, familiar, and consistently placed, not moved around on a whim to refresh the look and feel. Now, by incorporating these wayfinding cues like landmarks, districts, and nodes into your digital spaces, you'll help your users understand where they are and where they can go, and avoid getting lost in space.